Bayer Amprobe is completing the 2100 series voltage tester range with the 2100 Delta, a rugged, feature-rich TRMS voltage tester with current function. The 2100 Delta is all you need to get your job done, needing only one tool on your tool belt. Accurately measure voltage up to 1000 volt AC and 1500 volt DC, and measure current up to 200 ampere AC. Connect the test probe safely to the top of the housing of the instrument when testing for voltage, giving you an extra hand. The 2100 Delta is ideal for troubleshooting in industrial and commercial environments and built according to the newest voltage tester standard. Check current easily and safely by sliding the fixed drawer around the conductor without the need to break the circuit. Unlike the 2100 Alpha, Beta and Gamma, the 2100 Delta is naturally equipped with reinforced components for dependable performance. The Bayer Amprobe 2100 Delta voltage tester with current function TRMS. For more detailed information, please visit bayer-amprobe.com.